my family, we like to celebrate every single, wins in life. So on a Sunday, we would really gather together and eat. If I can serve better food in our family, it would make everyone happy. So yeah. If you've watched Ratatouille, one of the lines from Remy is that I wanted to feed the world. It feels like I wanted to do that as well. I'm RICA and I studied hospitality in Melbourne Polytechnic, Preston. I've been working as a chef for 5-6 years in Singapore. And then I wanted to learn a different cuisine because I normally do Thai and mostly Asian cuisine back home and in Singapore. So I wanted to further myself in Melbourne Polytechnic. Especially Chef John and Chef Muriel. I actually appreciated them for being honest with how they see you. Like, what are the things that you needed to improve? What are your strengths, your weaknesses? They pushed me to do it. I actually didn't realize that someone was looking. I was just doing my thing because I wanted not to excel in class, but I wanted to, I wanted to produce something. When you ask me to do something, I wanted to give you something. I don't want to give you the bare minimum. I want to go over that.